Who said no, teacher? Why? Ananta is going to sing. Ananta will sing the song for us. Very nice. Thank you, Anita, for singing the song for us. And now everyone is sitting quietly to listen to a beautiful story of a crocodile. How a crocodile and his baba, means a crocodile and his papa, they lived near the lake. Crocodiles live in water, right? And how are crocodiles' mouths? They go snap, snap. They have big, sharp, isn't it? And they eat the fish that they find in the water. Now, this crocodile lived with his papa. Good morning, Sahir. Last story, okay? So I'll start it again. I'm telling everybody the story
Mama,
of crocodile.
too funny.
This crocodile, all of you, just 1 minute. Huh? Let me put everyone on mute. Okay. So this crocodile lived with his papa by the lake, and the crocodile loved to play in the water. He would go splish, splash, and then play in muddy puddles like how Peppa Pig also plays in muddy puddles. He loved playing in muddy puddles, and he would put all the mud all over his body and become all yucky, yucky. And then he would walk and go splash into the water and he would swim. He loved swimming in the water, enjoyed it very, very, very much. Now, one afternoon, Baba was fast asleep. Crocodile Papa was snoring. How was he snoring? But baby crocodile wanted to play. He said, Papa, Papa, play with me. No, come, let's go swim in the water. Papa was too sleepy. He said, not now, I'm sleeping. Don't disturb me. Baby said, Papa, please, all my friends are very busy. I want to play. Let's play. Let's just throw mud on each other and then let's go jumping into the water. So Papa said, no, I'm too sleepy now. Go to sleep. So the baby crocodile played on his own. After some time, baby crocodile said, Papa, Papa, I'm hungry. I want something to eat. Now Papa said, you know, your mamas make food for you, no? Your papas also make food for you sometimes and give you. But animals have to go and catch their own food. They don't have a kitchen to cook like you. They don't cut vegetables like you. They go hunting and they need to go and they have to catch their own animals and eat. Or they have to go walking to a tree and eat the leaves on their own. Like your mamas, their mamas don't give them food in a plate. So Crocodile Papa said, you're a big boy now. Go on your own, eat your food and come. Go inside the water, catch some fish, eat it and come. Baby crocodile said, oh, I'm feeling too lazy. I don't want to go on my own. Papa said, okay, then don't eat. Be hungry. Then baby crocodile said, but I'm very hungry, Papa. Please, please give me something to eat. Give me to eat. Papa said, can you see the lake? Come on, go. Go on your own. Okay, I'll go. The crocodile slowly walked towards the lake and then dipped into the water, went in and nicely, whatever fish the crocodile could find, he ate and he came out. Now, when the crocodile came out, there were fish bones stuck in his teeth. And the baby crocodile said, I have bones in my teeth. They're just paining. They're stuck over here. Do you think crocodiles brush their teeth? Do they have a big brush and they go, ah? Do they brush their teeth? No, crocodiles don't have a toothbrush. They don't brush their teeth like you and me. They don't have a wash basin. They don't have a toothpaste. So what will baby crocodile do? So baby crocodile went to Papa again complaining, Papa, now what do you want, baby crocodile? The food is stuck in my teeth. I can't remove it. I'm using my tongue. But I still can't remove the stuck bone. Help me. Papa then opened his eyes and said, okay, show me. Ah. All of you open your mouth and show me like the crocodile. Open your mouths, big, 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 big mouths. I can't see. I can't see your teeth go ah. So the crocodile opened his mouth and said, see here, Papa, here it is stuck. Here it is stuck. Ah, here it is stuck. Papa said, too many bones stuck in your teeth. Now you're a big, big crocodile. I'm going to teach you something new. Baby said, what are you going to teach me, Papa? I'm going to teach you how to clean your teeth. Baby said, how to clean my teeth? Are you going to give me toothbrush like Heian? Can Heian give his toothbrush? But Heian's toothbrush is so chotu, the crocodile will only brush one tooth. E. It will take him so much time to brush. So he said, no, not Heian's toothbrush. How about Ishan's toothbrush? Papa laughed and said, ha, 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 ha. Ishan is not a crocodile. You can't use Ishan's brush. I'll use Miraki's toothbrush and I will use Miraki's toothpaste. Miraki said, no, I'm not going to give you. Your teeth are too big. My teeth are very small. No, you can't use my toothbrush and toothpaste. And baby crocodile said, Papa, then how can I clean my teeth? Should I call Maneet? I'll open my mouth. Maneet, mere daant saaf karke do. Papa crocodile said, no, the babies will look at your teeth. They'll get so scared and they'll run away. Because crocodiles' mouths are so big with so many teeth in them. So baby crocodile said, so how am I going to clean my teeth then, Papa? These bones are stuck and they're irritating me. I don't like them at all. So Papa said, I'm going to teach you a trick that all crocodiles learn when they grow up. So baby was very excited. Papa, tell me. So Papa said, you know what? After you finish eating, you must open your mouth wide. And then make a noise. The baby crocodile got scared. What is this noise? Papa said, yeah, you have to make a noise like this. You have to open your mouth and go. The baby crocodile said, okay, but after I make that noise, my teeth will become clean. Papa laughed and said, no. When you make that noise, there's a tiny bird sitting on the tree. The tiny bird will come flying and the tiny bird will go inside your mouth and peck, 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 peck. Like a toothpick, she will clean your teeth. Papa, there'll be a bird inside my mouth. No. What if I bite the bird by mistake? I don't want to do it. Papa said, no, don't worry. See, I told you, no? You open your mouth and what do? Can you all make that noise for me? And then the bird will go inside. So the birdie knows that crocodile is calling him. Then, little crocodile, you keep your mouth open. Ah. And the bird will go in and go peck, 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 peck. And he will remove all the bones. And when the birdie is done, the birdie will flap its wings inside your mouth. And when you hear that, again you will do that means the birdie can fly away. So baby crocodile said, Papa, we won't talk to each other. We'll only make noises. Papa said, yes, beta, because if you will talk, you will shut your mouth and poor birdie will get squished, no? So no talking. You will make a sound, you'll open your mouth, you'll make a sound. The birdie will come flying and go peck, 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 peck. After pecking, the birdie will do flap, 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 flap. And then again you make a noise and the birdie will fly away. The crocodile said, Papa, are you sure I can do it well?
Yeah.
And Papa said, yes, I am very sure. Best of luck. You will do very well. You're a big boy now, big crocodile boy. The baby crocodile was very excited. Now the baby went and looked at the tree. There up on the tree was little birdie with her mama. And the mama was showing to the baby bird. Can you see the crocodile, baby? You have to go down and you have to go peck, 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 peck. But the baby was very scared. No, mama, I don't want to go inside the crocodile. I'm getting very scared. What if the crocodile eats me up? Mama said, no, the crocodile won't eat you up. He's your friend. When the crocodile will open his mouth, he'll do then you fly down gently. Go inside his mouth. No, Mama, the crocodile has too many teeth. I'm very scared to go inside the crocodile's mouth. I don't want to go. Please, 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 please. And Mama said, don't be scared. Go inside the crocodile's mouth. He won't do anything to you. And after I go peck, 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 Mama, what should I do? Mama said, after you go peck, 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 you flap your wings, flap, 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 flap. Then the crocodile knows that you've cleaned the teeth. And the crocodile will again say, and you can fly away. The birdie was getting a little scared, but Mama said, you're a brave birdie, good girl, go. Now the crocodile was waiting and looking at Papa. Papa said, good boy, go, go. And the birdie was looking at Mama. Good girl, go, go. They both were ready. They both were all set to clean the teeth. And then what happened? The crocodile opened his mouth and he went. The little birdie looked at Mama and said, Mama, can I go now? Can I go? The crocodile has opened his mouth. Can I go? Mama said, yes, bacha, go. Come on, fly gently. Okay, Mama, bye. And the birdie flew and flew and flew slowly and went inside the big open mouth of the crocodile. First, the birdie got a little scared. Oh my God, there are so many teeth over here. I'm so scared. Again, it looked at Mama. Mama said, go, good girl, you're doing well. Go, very good. And the crocodile looked at Papa. And Papa said, keep your mouth open. The birdie is coming. Keep your mouth open. And the little birdie went in and saw all the bones and said, too many bones inside the mouth. I'm going to clean it for the crocodile. Peck, 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 peck. Two. Peck, 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 peck. Two. And then the birdie checked. All the teeth are clean, I think. Flap, 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 flap. Flap, 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 flap. The crocodile was excited. His mouth was still open. He was thinking, he was thinking he cannot speak, no, he has to keep his mouth open. So he was thinking, oh, the birdie is clean my teeth. And so he went, and the birdie went flying right out of the crocodile's mouth and went up on the tree and said, hooray, mama, I did it, I did it, I did it. I was brave. I went inside the crocodile's mouth. I cleaned the teeth and I didn't get hurt. And I came out. And you know, mama, I also got little pieces of fish to eat. Mama said, yes, that's why I told you. Now you're a big birdie. And I'm so proud of you. Good birdie, good birdie, good birdie, good birdie, mama said. And the birdie was jumping and flapping. Hooray! I cleaned the crocodile's teeth. Hooray! I cleaned the crocodile's teeth. Yippee! Hooray! And the bird was celebrating. At the same time, the crocodile had closed his mouth. He looked at Papa and said, Papa, I also did it. I opened my mouth. Hooray, hooray, hooray. Now my teeth are clean. And I let the birdie inside and I didn't bite the birdie. I didn't do anything, Papa. I was so good. Papa came and with his tail, he patted him. Top, 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 top. Good crocodile. I'm proud of you. I knew it. You can do it. Really, Papa? Thank you. Thank you. You taught me. Now, next time, I'm going to go on my own. I'm going to eat my own food by myself. And when I have to clean my teeth, I will open it wide. All of you can go unmute. I want the children to do this action with me. Hooray, 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 hooray. So how does a crocodile open his mouth? The crocodile will open his mouth and he do? And then who will come flying? Yes, the birdie will come flying and she will go? Peck, 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 peck. Peck, 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 peck. Peck, 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 peck. And then when she's done, what will she do? Flap, 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 flap. Flap, 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 flap. And again the crocodile will do. Correct, Sahir. So cutely you're doing. Like a baby crocodile. And then the birdie will fly away. And then the crocodile and baby will say, hooray, hooray, we did it, hooray, hooray. And that's how the crocodile learned to clean his teeth. How do you clean your teeth?
With brush. With a brush.
With a brush. And how do you go brush, brush, brush? Yes, and you brush outside. And then you brush behind. And then you brush up. And you again brush in the front nicely. And you go up, down, up, down. How do you brush your teeth? You don't brush like this. You have to brush up, down.
Mama. Space
मध्ये, yes.
Up, down, up, down, up, down. And then you have to rinse your mouth. How do you rinse your mouth? Does mama help you?
Rinse पण teacher space मध्ये जायचं का?
Yes.
How do you rinse your mouth?
No issue.
Nice and clean, and you go poo. And after you brush your teeth, you must rinse your mouth at least 5 times. Only then all the paste will go away. Otherwise, the paste will be in the mouth. And then when you eat your breakfast, you're also eating toothpaste. Is toothpaste a breakfast? Is toothpaste food?
No.
No, 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 no. So, you must always rinse your mouth very well after you brush 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's straight.
And then you also clean your tongue. Do you clean your tongue, all of you?
Yes.
Yeah, because if you don't clean your tongue, no, then your mouth will smell. You'll go to mama to kiss her and she said, "Chee, mutton ka smell aa raha hai, andu ka smell aa raha hai, banana ka smell aa raha hai." Shh. And every time after you eat or drink anything, you must again rinse your mouth. Even if you drink dudu, even if you eat chocolate, even after you eat your lunch or breakfast, you must rinse your mouth well. And how many of you brush your teeth at night? Do you brush your teeth at night?
Yes.
Yes, you must brush your teeth at night because now you are becoming big children, no? You'll get big teeth behind. And if you don't brush your teeth and you don't take care of your big teeth behind, no, then you can't bite your food well. Then if you bite, you'll say, "Oh, my tooth is hurting." So you must all brush your teeth well. And whenever you eat anything, you must rinse your mouth. You remember? You must also keep your teeth clean, no, like a crocodile. Otherwise, I'll tell Mama, bring a bird and put it in Sahir's mouth. Bring a bird. नहीं तो बर्डी अगर आप लोगों ने ठीक से ब्रश नहीं किया ना, मैं पापा को बोलूंगी बर्डी ले आओ और मनीत के मुंह में डाल दो. और फिर वो बर्डी मनीत के माउथ को क्लीन करेगा. पैक 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 खाकरा खाकरा पराठा पराठा. नहीं ना, आप ब्रश करोगे ना, बर्डी नहीं चाहिए ना मुंह में. हा, अनायताच्या पण तोंडात बर्डी नको ना. ब्रश करशील ना छान छान, नाहीतर बर्डी येऊन म्हणणार पोहे मिळाले मला, पोहे मिळाले. शी. Anayata will brush her teeth nicely and see in the mirror. E, A, A, all clean, sparkling white. How will you check your teeth? You will go E, A, A. Sparkling white.
But
Okay?
टीचर मी मिराकीच्या तोंडामध्ये बर्ड टाकते.
तो मिराकीच्या तोंडामध्ये बर्ड टाकतीये. मिराकी, तुला बर्ड पाहिजे का तोंडात?
Ma'am, I don't like brushing at night.
You don't like brushing at night? Why?
I like brushing in morning. I love brushing in morning. I don't like brushing 2 times.
You don't like brushing 2 times, but you know, Ayansh, throughout the day, you're eating so many things, no? And all of them go and stay in your mouth. Sometimes when the food stays in your mouth, no, then your mouth has dirty smell, and little, it'll start becoming dirty. Like how you play in the mud and your clothes become dirty. Do you wear the same clothes and sleep? You change your clothes, no?
Yes.
Same way, when your teeth become dirty, you must brush it. Otherwise, it will be more and more dirty. Then the teeth will become yellow color. Yeah.
But I don't like brushing 2 times.
Okay. Then what you do is don't brush at night. Brush in the evening.
Then it's not the right time to brush in evening.
It's okay. It can be Ayansh's time to brush. Doesn't matter.
It's not the right time.
Then what is the right time?
Good. See, look. Ishan.
Yes, Ishan has gone to space. You all see, Ishan is in space. Oh,
Yes.
he is on a rocket and he is going off to space.
Yes, he is going back to Earth and we're already living in Earth. And sometimes for